What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a BoxyCharm unboxing for the month of March. I haven't done a BoxyCharm video in a very long time. Like, it's almost embarrassing how long it's been. I know a lot of people do these BoxyCharm videos, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Keep in mind, BoxyCharm is the only subscription service that I am subscribed to now. I know I used to do Birchbox, I used to do Ipsy. Honestly, none of those are worth it to me. BoxyCharm, I can never see myself like not being subscribed to them. Like, it's unreal the amount of stuff that you get. For those of you who don't know, BoxyCharm is a subscription service. You get a box of makeup or skincare products sent to your door for $21 a month. It's 5 to 6 full size, you heard me right, ladies, full size products every single month. You get eyeshadow palettes, full on like liquid lipsticks, bronzers, highlighters. Like, you cannot beat the deal. So this is what a typical BoxyCharm box looks like, but now they have something called BoxyLuxe, where every 3 months, or is it every 4 months? It's every 3 or 4 months. I think it's every 3 months because it's 4 times a year. You get a BoxyLuxe box, which costs a little bit more, actually a lot of it more. It's $30 extra, so it's a grand total of $50. But look at the box. It's unreal. So, every 3 months you get a box like this instead of the smaller box, but everything you would have gotten in the smaller box is in the bigger box. So it's just like you get a bunch of extra products, and the value is just like, it's mind blowing. So this is March's BoxyCharm or BoxyLuxe box. So I'm going to unbox this for you and show you guys what I got. So when you open it, this is what you see. Right off the top, I see what looks like a makeup bag, and then you see all of the other products inside. What I love about BoxyCharm is they always give you a little informational sheet that has what the product is, how to use it, and how much it retails for. So I'm going to be referring to this as I unbox this month's BoxyCharm box, so you guys can kind of see the value compared to how much you're paying. Do keep in mind, you don't have to do the BoxyLuxe. You can just stick with the BoxyCharm, which is $21 a month for the whole year. But I just, every 3 months, want a little extra surprise. Why not? So let's start with the first item that I pulled out. It looks like a makeup bag, and let's read here. It is BoxyCharm train case. It retails for $20. It says, just another perk of being a charmer. Very spacious and perfect for the charmer who has to take their glam on the go. So it's just a copper color, and let me unzip it. Oh, it's cute. It says BoxyCharm on the inside, and it has that light, like pinky, dusty pink, nudish color inside. That's cute. It's just a basic, like, train, very small, like, train case. Not very small, but this would probably be enough room for all of my makeup if I went traveling. So that's cute. It's almost like iridescent. Like, it's copper, but it's also kind of like iridescent. I don't know if you can see that. The other thing I like about BoxyCharm is they package their items really well. So I don't think I've ever gotten any product like broken when they've, you know, shipped it to me. So the next item I'm pulling out is from Lily Lashes, and they are faux mink lashes, limited edition, and they look like this. They are so beautiful. Before I got my eyelash extensions, I was all about falsies. Like, I loved, not like on the day-to-day, but for special events or anything that I was going to where I wanted to look just a little extra glam, these bad boys were it, let me tell you. Although I have eyelash extensions, I am gonna save these because if I decide I don't want eyelash extensions anymore, then these will be my go-to. So Lily Lashes exclusive faux mink lashes, $24.99 is what they retail for. The next item I'm pulling out is from Iconic London. This is the eyebrow cushion. I don't know what an eyebrow cushion is, but this is what it looks like. Let's see. Iconic eyebrow cushion retails for $40. Gives your brows the wow they deserve with Iconic Sculpt and Boost eyebrow cushion. So let's open this bad boy up and see what the hell an eyebrow cushion is. I want to say it's probably just like brow powder or like brow wax. Oh, so that's what it looks like. So it's an actual, oh, you have to pull that. That's what it looks like. It comes with two little, a spoolie and a brush. Oh, that thing is cool. So it looks like this, and it just, that is so cool. That's perfect for traveling. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. So, and then this is what it looks like. So you have to pull that little tab off. So I'm guessing it's a, oh wow. So you can see it on there. But it's just a cushion of two different brow colors. So that is going to be, that is so weird. I can't wait to try that. By the way, I just filmed like an everyday makeup look on this look. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, I don't know if it's already up or if I'm going to post it after this video, but just stay tuned. It's kind of like a chit chat, get ready with me video. The next thing I'm pulling out is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizer Super Cream. And this retails for $48. That is crazy. Like I said in this like getting ready with me video, lately I've been all about my skin. So I've been really trying to take better care of my skin. This is what it looks like. It's just like a nice pot. And it is an anti-aging moisturizer. It says perfect for all skin types, even the most sensitive, which is good because I have such sensitive skin. So that's exciting. Doesn't really have too much of a smell, which is nice because I'm not a huge fan of like super like fragrant moisturizer, so that's awesome. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out is the Deborah Lippmann. It's like a duo nail polish set, so there's two different colors, and this retails for $20. So there's like a nice like dusty pink color, and then the other color is a coppery, almost glitter color, which is really nice. Dude, people are like outside my window right now. Like, what are you doing? I have to be honest, like whenever I get nail polishes, I'm really not that excited because I get my nails done. I don't have the patience to like do them at home and like sit there and wait for them to dry. So I get gel and I go to the salon, but this is always, I'll probably give it to my sister. She paints her nails literally every day. Like, I'm not kidding you guys. Every single day. It's like, it's a weird thing she has going on. She just has to repaint them every day. I think it's like relaxing for her, so I'll probably give this to her. I don't know if I told you guys, but that retails for $20. The next thing I got is the Moda brush set. It's powder and soft glow set. These two brushes were designed to give your desired look. The elegant rose gold tapered handles and two-toned synthetic brush hair make this brush set the perfect addition to your brush collection. Retails for $29.99. The next item I'm pulling out here is from Wander Beauty, and it's the Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. It says this mask dries quickly and peels off effortlessly, which is good because I hate those peel off masks where it takes you like 10 minutes just to peel it off because it keeps breaking off. You'll reveal a smoother, clearer, and brighter complexion. So that's awesome. I love a good face mask. Okay, it looks like we have 3 more items in here. The next one is from Becca Cosmetics. I love getting a good Becca product. And I want to say this is a lipstick. This is the Ultimate Lipstick Love, a moisturizing 8-hour long-wearing silky satin lip color infused with the next generation of hyaluronic acid. Retails for $24, and mine came in the color mauve. Packaging is so nice. Oh my gosh, that color is beautiful. Let me do a little swatcheroonie. So it's like a pinky, dusty, rosy kind of a color. It doesn't really look like it in camera, but it's a pretty like neutral color. Like it's almost a brown pink. So pretty much it's like an everyday type of color, and it looks really like, not really shiny, but it looks shiny, so I know it's like moisturizing. I'm super excited to use this. I think I want to make a video with all of the products I get in my BoxyLuxe boxes from here on out, including this one. I almost want to start with this one. So let me know if you guys would want to see a video like that. And I don't know if I told you, but this lipstick retails for $24. Okay, the next item is from Cover FX. I love Cover FX. Like, their products are so good. This is the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. 6 must-have complexion essentials. So you get a blush, some highlighters, a contour color, a finishing powder, a brightener. Look at how beautiful that is. This retails for $45. That is so crazy. But I mean, I believe it. Cover FX products are not like super cheap. So that is beautiful. Oh my gosh. My battery's about to die, so I'm trying to hurry up. The last product in here is a Morphe palette, and this is the Morphe 15 shade artistry palette. Retails for $16. I love Morphe. Such good quality and very affordable. It just says a mirrored palette includes 15 crazy creamy powerful pigmented shades, so you can mix and match and bend the rules. So this is what it looks like, super sleek. And you open it up and you have a huge mirror. There's like a film there, but I'm gonna leave it. And then look at those shades. I was looking at this in Ulta the other day and I almost bought it, and I'm glad I didn't because it came in the BoxyLuxe box. I've been obsessed with orangey eyeshadow shades lately, hence what I have on my eye right now. But these are beautiful, and I love how 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them are mattes, and then the rest are like satins or shimmers. Like, look at how beautiful, you guys. Are you kidding me? I'm so excited to play around with this. See, I have a face palette, I have an eyeshadow palette, I got brushes, I got a lipstick. Like, I could honestly create a whole look with this box. So like I said, if you guys want to see that, please let me know. I would love to do that for you guys. So that was it for this month's BoxyCharm or BoxyLuxe box. If you guys are interested in trying out BoxyCharm, I will leave the link down in the description box below. Please, please, please give it a try. It is amazing and you will not regret it. I promise you. Like, don't waste your money on those other subscription services. Like, just don't. Full-size products, like, come on. Come on. Are you kidding me? There's no obligation. Like, you don't have to like sign up for like a year or like 6 months or anything. You can try it out for 1 month, and if you're not feeling it, you can cancel right then and there. But definitely just go click and give it a try. I'm not sure if there's a waiting list right now. I want to say I just got an email saying there was no wait list, so definitely go click that and go check it out because you will not regret it, I promise you that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.